Installation tutorial for electric atomized glass. First, install the ventilation system device. All windows before shipment. We will reserve the hole and hose position, so that you can directly thread the wire after receiving. Cut off the excess hose. Insert the motor of the fresh air system. Pass the wire through this reserved hole. Pass the wire through. After threading the wire, install the screws. Drill the hole. Fix it with screws according to the holes. Start to install the electric atomized glass. First, remove the glass's wires. Then start preparing to route the wires. Then put it in the same position as in this reserved hole. All reserved holes are reserved for you before shipment. Then use the provided hose. You can pass the wire through it. Pull the wire out of the hose. There is no difference between them. Just pass it all through. After threading it through, you can lift the entire glass window over the threshold. Don't press the black line. If the position of the wires is correct, you can press hard too, the entire window into the door. Next, connect the wires to the motor. Prepare a small flathead screwdriver. This is the power line of 220 volts. First, plug this wire in. Then that's the dimming glass line. It doesn't matter which way you connect it. Press down this button. After inserting the wire, it will automatically get stuck. The hollow glass is installed like this. After connecting the wires, plug it into the home power. Okay, then you can start dimming. This is the motor wire for the flat push window. Then loosen it. This is the DC motor. The last two. To connect the two wires to control the motor. Yes, it doesn't matter which one is positive or negative. We are on the line respectively, which are already labeled. Whether it's a motor wire or a dimming glass wire. Then use this small flat screwdriver to tighten it. Try to pull it. Make sure both wires are tightened. Connect it like this. We won't remove the power cord. If you remove the power cord, you just twist it in and put it in. Just twist the two sides. Just twist these two sides. It's labeled with 220 volts. A live wire and a neutral wire, which are marked. This is the bus line. Before leaving the factory, have been connected to the bus line, so you only need to connect the red and black wires. This is the main plug. This is the motor plug. You can also not plug in the plug. You can connect it to the power cord. Just connect the wires of the same color. Connect the two wires of the same color together. It's that simple. You can also not match the colors, because it doesn't distinguish between positive and negative poles. It doesn't matter, but it's best to follow the color. Wiring by color is better. Convenient for later maintenance. Then use this electrical tape to wrap it up. For this kind of 3-wire, it's best to connect them. If there are no 3 wires, you don't need to connect. It's best to connect the 3-wire one. It's best to connect all 3 wires. If there are 2 wires, all 3 wires inside here need to be connected. If there are only 2 wires, just connect 2. Then this is fine. Then it's done. Okay, then plug in the plug and debug. It's our motor. Its current can be automatically converted. It can be connected to 110 volts or 220 volts. So don't worry. It can automatically convert. Just connect the wires and it's done. We provide an instruction manual. You can download the software yourself to control the window using your mobile phone.